Hello everyone, so for today's video I am going to do another Zaful clothing haul. I know I only did one of these a couple of weeks ago, but you guys really seem to have enjoyed watching that last one, and Zaful contacted me again and said, would you like to do another clothing haul? And I absolutely love their products, so I said yes. So I just want to say thank you so much to Zaful for gifting everything to me. Of course, all my opinions are obviously not going to be biased. I'm going to share with you what I think of all these clothes. Like last time, I will link everything down below for you if you want to check it out for yourselves. This is also going to be a try on haul so you can see what the clothes look like. But I realise I'm rambling on, so let's get into the video. There's not really going to be a set order to this. I'm kind of just going to pick clothes up off the big pile I have next to me and just talk you through it, and then obviously you'll see the try on clip. So the first thing I chose was this like pinafore dress, I guess is what you could call it. It's in this really nice light pink colour, and the reason I chose it is because it looked really nice online, and I guess you could wear it as it is or with a t-shirt underneath it or whatever. So it's just like this light pink colour. It looks corduroy, but I don't think it is, and then it kind of just has buttons going down the front. It has really big pockets as well, and yeah, it kind of just looks like this. I also thought it's a very similar colour to my pink jacket I have from Topshop, which I love, so I thought, oh, you know, I'm sure I will really like this. Okay, so this is the dress when it's on. Like, I really like it, but it is huge. Like, if I let go of these straps, it will probably like fall down because it is huge. Like, the straps are huge, as you can see, like at the back, that's how big it is, and it's quite like wide on the side, which is a shame. So unless I can like somehow take the straps in or something, then I'm not sure I'd be able to wear this, as it would just fall down. But I really like the dress. It's really comfortable, but as you can see, it is just too big. Like, it's quite baggy and stuff rather than a little bit more fitted. So unless I can somehow adjust the straps, then I don't think I can wear it, as it is huge. The next thing that I picked up is something quite different for me. I've never really owned, I don't think I've really ever owned one of these tops, and it is just like this white bandeau. It kind of just looks like this. It's got like the ruching material, so it is quite stretchy, and yeah, it's just white really. It's a really nice fabric. It feels a little bit like the tops which you would have seen in my last haul, the floral ones with the little straps, but this one just doesn't have a strap on it, and this wasn't too expensive either, so I think for something like this it's quite reasonably priced. So I just thought this was a really nice thing, versatile thing to pick up. And also, I don't think I've ever owned like a bandeau because I'm not a big fan of strapless things, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try it, and as you'll see throughout this haul, I've ordered quite a few different things. So this is a bandeau top. As you can see, it is quite see-through, so I'm not sure how much I would wear this, but it is a really nice top. Like, it doesn't feel like it's going to be going anywhere. It feels quite supportive, but yeah, I think if I fix a little see-through issue, it might be a bit better. And then sticking on that kind of theme, I also did get a red top, and like I mentioned, if you saw the last haul, I got these two floral strappy tops, and I actually managed to find more of them. This is just a plain red one, and red is like one of my favourite colours. It's a colour that I think works quite well on me, so it kind of just looks like this. So obviously it looks a little bit better when it's on. It does probably need a bit of an iron, but it just has this little frilly bit at the top, and then it's got these spaghetti straps. And yeah, it is a really nice top. I love the other ones. I've worn the black one already. I wore that to after prom, and they're perfect for the summer. They're not expensive at all, so you can probably stock up. They did have a variety of different colours. So this is the red top. I really like it. I already knew that it would probably fit, but yeah, it's just one of those pieces that you can wear with loads, and also because the strap's quite thin, it's not too like heavy on here, so I think this would be really nice in the summer. The next thing I picked up is actually a two-piece set, and I saw this and I just thought it looked really nice, so I thought I would order it. So basically it's a jumper and then some shorts. So these are just what the shorts look like. They're obviously just plain black. They do have like this little rose on the corner at the bottom, and I know the lighting's gonna go crazy with these, but these are really well made. I really like that they're elasticated at the waist, so obviously you can pull it in or stretch it out as much as you want to. And then the jumper is quite a thin jumper, so obviously if you do want to wear this in the summer, you're not going to be too hot at all because it is really thin. It feels a bit more like a t-shirt material, so it is like a hoodie, so it has got a hood at the back, and then it is kind of cropped. And yeah, you'll see this especially in the try on, but it's kind of just a long sleeve, and again it has that same kind of rose on it. But I just thought, even if I don't wear these together, they're two really nice pieces of clothing, and this set was under $20, so I'm not really sure what that equates to in pounds, but it wasn't expensive. If you think like for a jumper and shorts, and you just wouldn't find things like this in the UK stores. So when I saw this, I thought this is really, really nice. And yeah, like I said, the fabric's actually really good quality. This is a size small. So yeah, I look forward to wearing these whether they're together or not. So this is what the two-piece looks like. I really like this. The jumper is really lightweight, it's really comfortable, and the shorts are also a really nice length. They're not too short at all. Really comfortable, and I'll definitely be wearing both the pieces. The next thing I picked up is a dress, and I'm not gonna lie, this is so short. I haven't tried it on, but it just looks so short when I held it up against me. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to wear this. Definitely not as a dress. But it is in that kind of same material as that red top. But it's kind of like just this long, well, I say long, it's just a black dress. And then it just has straps that tie up. So obviously you can adjust how tight you want them to be. It just looks a little bit shorter than I expected. The fabric is really nice and the whole design of it is really nice. I just thought it was a really nice, how many times did I just say nice? A really good piece of clothing to have in your wardrobe. I feel like you could wear this again with a lot of things. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like when it's on. Obviously it's not as short as I thought it was, but it is short. Like I wouldn't be able to go out and wear this because I can't show you the back. If I got a medium, it might have been a little bit longer. So the next thing I picked up is a bodysuit. Like I said, I am trying to branch out, and I have never actually owned a bodysuit. I've always ordered them and they've just never fitted me right. Like they've either been too big on the straps or too tight. So it's just this red bodysuit. It's kind of like a ribbed looking material, but it's not really. And then like on the black dress, you can just tie up the straps, and then it's kind of got quite a low back to it. And then at the bottom it's got poppers. It's got about 3, which are tie. They just look like this. So this is what the bodysuit looks like. I would say it would be helpful if you got someone to tie up the straps, as I've tied them up myself and they're not very well done. But basically I've just paired this with a pair of denim shorts. I do really like this. It has got quite a low back, so obviously you wouldn't be able to really wear a bra or anything with it. But I really like this. I think just because I haven't tied these straps up, it's not the most comfortable thing at the moment. But once I've tied up, it's fine. And the poppers and stuff, they're really easy to put on and get off, so that's good. It's like a really comfortable bodysuit to wear and really easy to wear as well. Now this next, I probably are thinking I've seen this before. So in the last one I ordered a denim skirt and I got a size medium, and I really liked the skirt, but it was obviously too big, so I went and reordered it in a small. This is what it looks like. If you haven't seen the last haul, it's just this denim skirt. It comes in black and a lighter blue denim as well, so I'm hoping this one's going to fit a little bit better. I haven't actually tried this on, but this is in a small, and this is the smallest size I could see, so I'm hoping this time it's going to fit, or at least just work with a belt, because I really like it. I really wanted a skirt in this colour. It's kind of frayed at the ends as well, so it gives it a little bit more of a casual look. So this is the denim skirt when it's on. It is slightly too big around the waist still, but I think once it's got a belt on it will be fine. The length is really nice, and also it is quite a stretchy denim, so it doesn't feel too tight around anywhere else. But yeah, I think it is really nice, and once there's a belt on it, it should be alright, so it just needs to be pulled in ever so slightly at the waist. The next thing I ordered is a pair of trousers. I'm not too sure on these, but yeah, they're kind of like these black trousers with this green and white panel down the side, and then they're just being rolled up at the end. I really like that. It's kind of like elasticated at the waist, at the back, and then at the front you don't see that because it's kind of like got a flat bit, and it also does have belt loops, but it's only got 2, which is a bit weird, so I don't know how well a belt would work with this. But yeah, they feel quite different to the other trousers I've owned, but I don't know if that's because they're a different kind of style or something. But I just thought this would be really nice, even just to pair with like a black t-shirt or whatever, or if you could find a green one to match the stripe, that would be really cool. But I really like things with stripes down the side. I've seen a lot of it in Primark recently with like skirts and jeans and stuff, so I thought I would try out a pair of trousers for myself, and if these fit and look nice, then it would be brilliant. So these are the trousers when they are on. I'm not sure I'd wear it with a blue top, but they are actually really nice. I like how tightly fitted they are. I really like the stripe going down the side, and also they do come above the ankle. I'm not sure how much of that you can see, but as you can see, they are a little bit shorter, which I really like. So yeah, I definitely think I will wear them. The only annoying thing is there is no pockets, and I really like to have trousers with pockets. I keep going like this to find one, but that's okay because I really do like the look of these. They're really comfortable as well. I then ordered a couple of jumpers, and recently I've been a really big fan of the tops and jumpers and stuff with quite like a big metal zip with a little hoop on the end like this. So I ordered 2 jumpers. So the first one just looks like this. It's kind of like a I think it is black, white and then red jumper. It just looks like this. It is slightly cropped, I think, but with high-waisted jeans and stuff it would work. And then just has this zip, which obviously you can then unzip however much you like. This is in a size medium, as I like my jumpers just to be a little bit bigger and not so tightly fitted. But yeah, I really liked the design of this. I really like the colours as well. They go together really nicely, and the fabric feels really good quality. Like, it doesn't feel cheap or anything. It feels nice and thick. Okay, so this is the first jumper. This is kind of how I would style it. So I've obviously unzipped it, and then I just folded it to make it into like a collar, if you can see there. So that's how I would kind of style it, but I really like it. It's really comfy. This is a medium one, so it is a little bit longer on the sleeve, but I quite like it. It is a really nice length as well, and I can just see myself wearing this all the time. So I also picked up something quite similar. This one is in a small, so it kind of just looks like this. It is white, but like I said, it's got some black and red. It has these kind of panel stripes down the side, which like I said I'm a big fan of, and then again it's got a zip. Now this one didn't come in a medium, they didn't have that online, so I'm hoping the small's going to be alright. I think this one I might wear more as like a t-shirt rather than a jumper, but again it's got a really nice zip and really good quality jumper. Okay, so this is the white jumper. It is so tight. Like, I struggled getting this over my head. Obviously, it's a lot more cropped as well. I think this may be because it is a size small. So I'm not sure how much I would wear this, as it also is a little bit see-through and it is quite tight, but I think it just depends what I would style it with. Maybe with my high-waisted jeans it would look a bit different, but it is quite tight, like on the arms and stuff. So I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's because it is like really tight on the skin, like I don't know how comfortable it would be to wear all day. And then the final thing I picked up is another 2-piece set, because everyone raves on about Zaful's 2-piece co-ord sets, whatever you want to call them, and I did pick up the jumper and the shorts one, but I thought that one's more of like a casual one, whereas this one's a little bit more like going out. And this is a striped set, so you get these shorts which just look like this. So they've got kind of like an elasticated waist, and then they just have a really nice length to them. And then the top I'm not too sure on, but I think once I've tried it on I might feel differently about it. But it is just a high neck top like this, and then it just ties up around the back. It's got loads of extra fabric to do that with. Okay, so this is what the final thing looks like, the 2-piece. I really like it. Like, I like the design and stuff. The only problem is this top is ever so slightly too big, so I'm not sure, maybe if I tied it up a little bit tighter it would work. But I kind of just, I can't really show you the back, but I've kind of just tied it into a bow, but it is a little bit too big, so I have probably not tied it up quite right. And then these are the shorts. The one thing that does annoy me is they don't have pockets, but other than that they're not too bad. They are quite wide, so I'm not really sure what they look like from the back, but I don't mind them. I'm not sure I would wear this in England, obviously, because we just don't have the weather usually to wear this, but definitely like on holiday it would look really nice. And you can probably pull these shorts up like as high as you want or as low as you want, but I do really think the set's really nice. It's just a shame this is ever so slightly too big. I guess I would just have to tie it even tighter at the back. That is everything that I received from Zaful. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to leave it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel then please hit the subscribe button down below. It would mean a lot. I have loads more videos coming for you this summer, and my back to school series will be starting sometime in August, probably around the 2nd week of August, so make sure to subscribe for that. Make sure to leave me a comment down below, as I do reply to all comments, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! If you wanna go and stick around with me, but